Hello students, today we are going to learn about transportation in plants and animals. But before learning that part, we should know that all living organisms are made up of cells. Cell is the smallest functional and fundamental unit of all living things. Now, similar type of cells combine to form tissues, and tissues form the organs. So here we have seen that the tissues are working together to form a function. Now come to the point that in transportation of plants, the tissues play a very important role. Now we know that there are two groups of plants, vascular and non-vascular. Non-vascular group is the primitive group that do not have any these type of advanced tissues. Now vascular plants is the group of plant that have these type of advanced tissues known as xylem and phloem. So vascular plants are those plants which contain these xylem and phloem tissues. Now you will see that xylem tissues are the tissues that conduct water from the root to the apical part or different parts of the plant. Now, do you know that xylem cannot collect the water from the soil? And you have learned that roots are the parts of the plant that absorb the water. So how it happens? First of all, we should know that root is having a special type of hair-like structure known as root hair. So root hair is giving the space to collect the water molecule from the soil particles. Now as it collects the water, it is moving towards the xylem tissues through cell. And after collection of these water, the xylem tissues will conduct the water towards the apical part or other parts wherever it is required. So this is the way that water is absorbed by the roots and it is conducted to all parts of the plant through the xylem tissues. So xylem tissues are very important because only xylem tissue can conduct water. Next is phloem. Phloem tissues are those tissues which can conduct food. So you know leaves are also known as kitchen of the plant. So the food is manufactured in the leaves, and these food, that is the glucose, is conducted from the leaves to all parts of the plant through the phloem tissues. So that way transportation of food and water and dissolved minerals is conducted through the xylem and phloem tissues. Now come to the next part, that is in plants, this transportation is very much developed because there is one more process that we have learned before, that is transpiration. Now do you know what is transpiration? Transpiration is the loss of water through the stomata of the leaves in the form of water vapor. So how it is moving out? You know that root is absorbing water, and this water is absorbed due to transpiration pull only. So what is transpiration pull? It is the suction pressure that is conducted. That is the main reason why the water is absorbed by the roots. So suction pressure is the main part which can help the plant for transpiration. So it is very much important. Transpiration is very much important because it helps the plant to lose the excess of water and also keeps the plant cool. So this is the importance of transpiration. So this part is very important because we will learn about this transportation in plants afterwards in elaborated way. So have a nice day and stay connected.